Hello everyone. So we'll be working on adaptation of skirts and we'll be working on flare skirts. So for flare skirts, I'll be working on the center front pattern. These are CF, sloper, traced out, and cut out. So there are some differences between A-line skirt and flare skirt. For A-line skirt, A-line have that, flare skirt doesn't have that. A-line, why flare skirt is actually fuller in terms of the fullness. Flare skirt is fuller compared to A-line. So A-line is just coming out from your hip, while flare skirt has more fullness to it. So for your flare skirt, you have your basic sloper. All you need to do is square down your dart lines, the first dart and second dart. So I can just check what I have here, come down, replicate the measurement, and square down straight line. Same thing for the second one. I can measure what I have, come down, replicate, and square down. And then show you all your lines very well. And try and avoid double lines not to get too confused. So next step is to place the paper on another paper. You're gonna place this and slash on another paper. So before I tape, I'll slash the tip of your dart. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I slash to the tip and then close the dart. You have to close your dart. Close your dart properly. Close that one and that two. So the fullness goes to the bottom part. And then you place. Your CF is on fold, so it's always attached straight. So next, what you want to do is for extra fullness is to measure what you have on the second opening like this. Measure what you have, divide into two. Same thing we did for the others, and mark at the side. So I'll just so that we can see. I hope we can see the difference, the edge of the pattern. So I'm just gonna use this to mark the edge of the pattern, so we're able to see the difference. I will just use the marker. This is my pattern, the actual sloper, so that you can see. So I measured from here at the opening to here. That's the second one. So for added fullness, you measure what you have here to here, divide into two to get it out here, and then you connect with your ruler to the hip line, to the upper hip line this way. Next, ensure the measurement you have, that's the skirt length from the waist to the hem of the actual skirt is the same thing you have. You will replicate on the side, and then you can blend with the not so curvy part of your French curve. Same thing, blend this and this. and then you cut out. So this is the flare skirt. So next I'm going to place it on paper to add the hem allowance. Same thing we've been doing. We'll add 1.5 at the bottom part and then 1.5 at the side. So I'll just add my allowance 1.5 here and 1.5 at the bottom part. So that will be the final stage. So I'm going to add, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share this video. So I'll be adding 1.5 at the hem, 1.5 at the hem, and then 1.5 at the side seam. So use the knot to cover it at the front, cover at the top, and then the hem. So this is the final stage. So for the center back, all you need to do is add 3 cm to the CB line. So you can check in the description box below. I will also be giving a little description on how you go about the center back. So you cut on the lines. Please ensure your cutting is neatly done. And then you label. Final stage, flare skirt. Size 14 half skew. Cut 1 piece on fold. So this is it for flare skirt. So next will be the circular skirt. So for the circular skirt, I'll get my sloper. So I'm just gonna I'm trying to mark out the dot so it will be visible enough for us to see. For circular skirts, so this is my center front. Don't forget your CF is usually on fold, so I'll just indicate it with this. So for this circular skirt, we'll be using slash and spread method to achieve this. So the first step is to square down from both that tip like this. Cross check your measurement please, because you need to work with a straight line. So just cross check and bring it down and mark. You can also use a set square to achieve it. Not sure. You have a straight line. Next, slash from the hem to the waist. Now it's no longer the tip of the dart, so we are slashing from the hem to the waist. So you slash once you get very close to the waist. Slash from the hem to the waist. So once you slash from the hem to the waist, place on another paper. Your center front should be placed at the edge of the paper. So how you place it at the edge. Let's see if you place at the edge because it's going to be on fold. Now you are spreading. So as you're spreading out, ensure you have same amount of width on both sides. Now for the dart, how to eliminate your dart? By the time you're spreading out, the tip will be on fold. The edge is gonna come on fold. You're doing a circular skirt, you can spread to desired width. So the more open it is, the more flare you achieve. It's going to consume a lot of fabric because it's a circular skirt. Okay. So also the dart, you have to fold it. Same thing you did for the first dart one. So even your folds come out immediately you are placing it. You're trying as you're turning it, it comes out, and then you centralize the mid one. You can also measure to ensure you have it. Hope you can see the difference as it's placed. Now what I need to do is you measure what you have. So you use it to go around. So whatever your measurement is, ensure you have that's 32. So I'll be using my marker 32, 32, 32. That's 32 point. So it depends. This is 32.2. Don't forget, I know you say why is it not the same thing? It won't be the same thing because don't forget by the time when you were trying to achieve your new waistline, you added to it at the top to blend out. Now all I need to do is connect. So you can connect in bits because of the curves. And connect to meet up. And connect your curves. Please ensure your connection is smooth. So this is it. And this is how the waist comes out. I'm not adding anything to it. I'm just trying to bring it out for you to see. Now all we need to do is cut out, place on another paper to add seam allowance. Seam allowance at the side is 1.5, while the hem allowance is 1.5 because it's flare. So this is the circular skirt. So all you need to do is add another paper to add the necessary allowance. So So this is the circular. So I'll just place it on another paper, add allowance here, and at the hem, that's 1.5, and it will become the final stage circular skirt. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. So this is half scale size 14. While for the center back, all we need to do is add the same spread, but the center back, the straight part at the center back, will be adding 3 cm for zipper allowance. That's it. Thank you very much.